It's part of life, lol. I'm not sure, Urban Hangman. Maybe in the future, but I don't got enough electricity for that, bro. At the moment. Yeah, Brody, I totally understand that, man. You know, I'm a big fan cooking on gas too. Myself. Okay, let's get this on with some butter. I'm making sure that this is already done. And I want to put the rib in there, like the rib needs, if I'm correct, 1.5 hours steaming. Let me check that up. Oh, wait a minute, first the butter in there. Let me check that up quickly. Hey, I don't got it open anymore, that sucks. I thought I had it open on the tab here somewhere. That's not correct. Okay, that sucks. Hey, Lady Athena, hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining. 1 hour for this, 1 hour steaming, and then 1.5 hour roasting, bro. Indeed, Freudy, you need different pans most of the time then, bro. Party Bacardi, hope you're doing well too, buddy. Welcome in. But it depends a little bit, Freudy. Okay, 1 hour poaching, 1 hour roasting. It's doable. First here we're gonna caramelize a little bit with a little bit of that cinnamon sugar I said. Oh, that's a good one, Matti. Yeah, to be honest, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm totally not a pro with induction stuff like that, you know? I'm not a big fan of it as well myself because I cooked my whole life on gas. I've cooked a few times on induction. I'm very new to that, but yeah, you know, as most of the chefs love to cook on gas. It's just a true story. No worries, of course. Okay, we got orange here. Take a nice orange. A little bit for the chef as well, for the vitamins. The orange we can just drop on here already. And a little bit over here. Yeah, that's it, Barbas, indeed, bro. 100%, my man.